Hey everybody, what's happening? I recently had a viewer ask me what I use to hang stuff in my adventure van. So what I use is really simple, it's effective, it's cheap, and it's easy to install, so I thought I'd make a video about it today. So what I have been using is a product from Rubbermaid. They're called Rubbermaid FastTracks, and there's one of them hanging the Adventure Outdoors portable toilet. But this Rubbermaid FastTrack is super easy to install, and it comes with all these hooks as accessories. You can buy different styles of hooks, and you can actually modify and bend the hooks if necessary. And right here you will see that it actually has a basket that I keep a bunch of junk in, and there's the hangers for that. So what I'm going to do is just show you how easy it is to install. I've got some over here, and these hooks, you can buy these, and like I said, you can modify them. I've actually bent some of these to use as I need them, but let me take one off and show you just how easy it is to install. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't need to take this off to show you how it works. It's super simple. These FastTracks come in, I think they're about 4-foot sections, and they have all these holes in them pre-drilled for you to mount with. And you can always take a hacksaw and cut the desired length, whatever you need. But all I've simply done is put a couple sheet metal screws in a few spots to hang it. And once you have it hung, you have this black plastic sheath cover, slides right over and covers all the metal. Really easy solution. You can hang one section of this in just a couple of minutes. Once you have the metal bracket installed, you simply just slide the sheath back over it just like that. It slides right on. Typically for my use, these are the two style of hooks that I use. I use this one right here, and I also use this larger hook. This one in the middle is the same as the one on the left. However, I have bent the ends for my needs. So sometimes, you know, you don't want something sliding off. So the metal bends pretty easily. It's very sturdy. It stays once you bend it. These hooks are also very easy to attach. You simply hit the top, push down, and it locks in place just like that. And easy to move. Just pull on the bottom, slide it to where you want it, push it down, and it's there.